Welcome to Kingsmith Strength, and thank you for choosing our Power Rack. We're excited to help you get your new equipment set and ready to go so you can start enjoying its benefits right away. Now in this video, we're going to provide you with the detailed step-by-step instruction. That way we ensure a smooth and easy assembly process. Now before you start, make sure you have all your tools and parts ready and at hand. And just to make the assembly easier, make sure to hand tighten those nuts and bolts first, and then that allows for adjustments later. And finally, make sure you keep an eye out for loose bolts and screws periodically as you go. Now let's kick off the assembly of your power rack and get you primed for peak performance. Before starting, ensure you have all parts and tools ready. To make the assembly easier, hand tighten bolts and nuts at first to allow for adjustments. Don't forget to check for loose screws and bolts periodically as you go. Let's kick off the assembly of your power rack and get you primed for peak performance. Let's start with the foundation of your power rack machine. Step 1. Connect the rear bottom frame, 18, to the bottom pulley, 17. Next, connect the bottom connector tube, 27, to the bottom pulley, 17. Now we'll build the rear support of your power rack. Attach the center support column, 6, to the bottom frame assembly, using M10 washers, B, M10 nuts, C, and M10x70 bolts, E. Lastly, secure the pull-up bar, part 28, to the top of the assembly, making sure it's level and securely attached. We've gone ahead and handled the assembly of the front and rear upright posts, along with the upper frame assembly. So feel free to double-check pages 9 through 13 in your manual for those details. Now, let's move on to the next exciting step. Now, you're ready for the cable assembly. For this process, please refer to the assembly diagrams in your user manual, pages 14 through 21, which provide clear guidance on routing the cables and securing them properly. We've already secured the protective bar and bumpers, as you see here. Then attach the pull handles, 29, higher pull handle, 15, and chain, 23, to their respective spots. Let's wrap up with final checks. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and tighten all bolts and nuts with the provided tools. Verify that all pulleys and cables are properly aligned and free of obstructions for smooth operation. Congratulations! Your Kingsmith Strength Power Rack is now fully assembled and ready to use, and we sincerely hope you enjoy your new squat rack. Thank you for choosing Kingsmith Strength. Stay strong, push those limits, and let's crush those fitness goals together.